You and those your age are to take charge of this country when we older ones shall have gone.
The future of every community begins with its youngest citizens. Introducing Citizen City, a new interactive children's exhibit coming to the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum. Built around learning through play, every experience invites children ages 3 to 9 to explore, imagine, and discover, building critical thinking, communication, and social skills in ways that feel natural and engaging. Young visitors might sort fruit or harvest vegetables to share with neighbors, learning concepts of organization and community care. As they grow, children can take on new challenges, spinning turbine models to see how wind power is captured and turned into electricity, discovering lessons of sustainability and energy. Along the way, they begin to understand how individual contributions, big and small, come together to support something larger than themselves. At its heart, Citizen City helps children understand what it means to be part of a community, how small actions like helping others and working together can make a big difference. Whether helping a neighbor carry in groceries or searching the city to find a lost cat named Tabby, children begin to see how their actions matter. These are the same values Abraham Lincoln believed in, that each of us plays a role in shaping our community and our future. At a time when civic understanding matters more than ever, this exhibit introduces these ideas in ways that are meaningful and appropriate for young learners. Thousands of children and families will experience Citizen City each year, engaging with these concepts through hands-on exploration, storytelling, and play. We invite you to help bring Citizen City to life and inspire the next generation of citizens.